Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my video. We're gonna be playing some Clash Royale. Actually, no, we're not. I hate this game so much. Yeah, let's play some Steven Universe Soundtrack Attack. I mean, I played this game a little bit, but I like it. It's really fun. So Steven Universe is actually a really good series. I want you guys to check that out. It's currently on its third season, but you can try to watch it from the beginning. Okay. Playing as my character. Actually, let's go home. I want to make a new character because this is going to be the first episode. But yeah, so I already made a character, obviously. You can see it's in quarts. I'm going to skip this. Alrighty. Okay. Why am I amethyst? Alrighty, let's go. Let's play. Alright, let's start. I love this game so much. Yeah, so weird guy. Weird person thing. Shadow? I think. Alright, let's play this. Now, I've played this game already, so I'm pretty much gonna know what I'm gonna do. Oh crap, I have to click it. Alright, there we go. So this is a pretty easy game. I mean, other things, well, I played this game. I'm on the third world, I think. And it's just a simple contest. It's like Guitar Hero. If you look that up on YouTube, Guitar Hero is a pretty good game. My dad used to play it. So, oh yeah, and there's the concept of double clicking, and that gets super hard. I mean, I had trouble with it. That's the thing I don't like. When you get the third star, it goes, and it takes so long. Alright, shut up, Barnett. Nobody cares. Alright, let's hit it. So yeah, I mean, it's a pretty catchy game. I downloaded it like a few weeks ago when it first came out, and it was previewed on Cartoon Network. So I'm just gonna let you listen to the music. It's pretty good. Yes. Oh, that was short. But yeah, that was the intro. It was pretty fun. Yeah, so you guys should definitely go check this game out. It's amazing. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Okay. Ow. I love this game so much. I mean, I could say hours. playing this game. But, you know, I have better things to do. Also, I want to do a shout out to Roman Atwood. His videos very much inspire me to do things like ride the scooter and do like tricks. And he makes me want to get like a dirt bike and stuff. So, shout out to him. Good guy, I'm telling you, good guy. Very good guy. I'm actually watching Steven Universe at this moment. But I gotta focus on him. Here we go, boom. I think I'll get to level 5 and then I'll stop. So I'm on the 3rd level, or 4th. I'll stop after this level. And I'll let you guys watch. I like it, it's pretty fun. Okay guys, I am going to stop the recording. See you guys next episode.